Hey guys, this is McDev. We're back for another lesson. Last lesson, we created a CSS variable, and in this one, we're going to now use it in just a functional way. All right, so here they are giving us the syntax. This is how we would use the variable. Now, this part right here doesn't matter. This could be anything. This could be the height, the color, etc. And then here is where we're telling it, instead of typing in the value, we're saying, okay, use the value that is stored at penguin skin. So let's see here. We can see on line 3 where the variable is created for penguin skin is gray. And so right here, we can see the where we're going to apply the CSS variable. So here it says apply the penguin skin variable to the background property of the penguin top. It's referring to this. You notice the opening bracket and the closing bracket. So penguin top is everything inside of here. To the property of penguin top, penguin bottom, right hand, and left hand. So we're going to be touching several different places here. All right, so let's make sure we have the syntax down. We're going to say, all right, instead of saying it's black, or instead of hard coding it and saying it's gray or gray, we are going to say use a variable. And what variable are we going to use? Well, we're just going to put in the name right here, penguin skin. Very good. So that works. And now that I have that, well, I'll type it out the next time because that's good practice. We're going to say var and the name, penguin skin. Okay. Then here I'm just going to copy and paste it. Penguin skin, penguin skin. Great. So if you're watching the penguin as we were doing this, you saw the different shapes as we pasted the new value change color. And great, so this should pass the test unless I overlook something, which can happen. Let's run the test and find out. Bam, we're good. All right, so that's it for this lesson. I do want to play around with the colors a little bit just to kind of prove a point. So if you remember, for the background color, which is essentially the penguin's skin color, we wrote this long. This writing all of this was longer than writing gray. It really was. We had to say the variable and tell it what variable to use. But here's what's kind of cool. Let's say for your design, you wanted to change it from gray, or maybe something happens on the page, and then when the page changes, you want to change it from gray. You can define it all in just one spot here. So for gray, we're going to say we'll just go something wild and say blue and red. So in addition to everything pointing to one spot, it's very easy to update. You don't have to dig through everything and copy and paste. And the value of something like CSS variables becomes even more apparent the longer this file gets, because we have well, 107 lines for the styles. That could be 300 lines. You never know. And you could have multiple files, etc. So these are very useful. I hope you hope you have a chance to use them in your own coding time. Anyways, that's all. I've rambled long enough. Hopefully you found value in this. Good luck keeping up with your coding journey, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.